It is a really hot day today, so we're going on Roaring Rapids, a tubing-inspired water ride.
It's like gets you out of nowhere.
Oh, that's what I was talking about. Anthony, watch your foot. Gets right there.
Oh.
Alright. I put my foot like over here and the car like, oh. Dry. That's why they call it. Uh-oh. Oh yeah. You.
I know, right?
Oh, water. Don't get dry.
Oh, I see what's going on.
Yeah, my whole back. This left foot got it.
Well, we're not hot anymore after our trip down the Roaring Rapids. Definitely got soaked, but it was a lot of fun.